Welcome back. We are filming in a grocery store parking lot in the name of getting this video out on the day we said it would be.
Yep, City Market, Breckenridge, Colorado.
We were cooking breakfast and realized we needed an onion, so I just got to run right back into the store.
Cats are napping, chilling. They're about to tell you about the windows. But yeah, we're gonna go over that and rock it out, show you what we've been doing, and what are we vlogging about?
We're on our way to get some windows!
We're going to get windows.
So we can have some light.
Oh yeah.
Sunlight is vital to happiness. We don't yet have our third seat, so Lisa's risking my life. Alright, we've arrived at the RV place. We're gonna see if we can get a good deal on some windows because they are a little pricey on Amazon. And we'll see what other fun stuff we can find here too. And maybe even just some knowledge. Working on this floor plan right now. That's what we got so far. We'll be back to you later. Now, they didn't have any windows in stock. We had to order them, so Amazon might be our best bet.
I'm just gonna cry for hours.
Or we might just cry for hours.
We're just gonna, no windows.
No windows.
No, not even a windshield.
Yeah, we're gonna uninstall the windshield.
Yeah.
And put a brick wall. So the van had these little rib things. We had to get them out of there. In hindsight, we realized that we could have just used an angle grinder to grind them out, but instead we pounded them with a hammer and this tool for a long time.
It was more fun with the hammer and the chisel.
True.
But it was really loud. Like inside the van, it was like somebody kicking you in your eardrum.
Too loud. Guys, last time we were here, this plant was right here. And that was only a few days. Can you believe it, Mala? Plants are freaking cool. Look at that. Pixel, you got a leaf on you. Yay! Next, we traced the window on there.
We were trying to make a stencil for it, and then we realized we could just literally place the window up there and make the stencil on what we're cutting. And then we used an angle grinder to do like the straight edges.
Past the point of no return now.
I don't know if that makes me feel better or what. And then I would go through and use a jigsaw with a metal blade on the curves. My hole was not perfect by any means. I was sweating bullets, worrying about having a giant hole in the side of our van.
And then, because the actual metal of the wall of the van is super thin, the window clamps together at about an inch thickness, so we had to make this frame to clip it into. So we just traced the window onto the plywood and
I had to do a plunge cut with the jigsaw.
yeah.
It's kind of cool.
And then we traced it to make a frame for the second window.
Push the window out.
Look at that.
Awesome.
There you go.
Repeat. sand down the rough metal edges, and we painted it just to prevent rust, which pretty much do that for every hole you cut in the van.
Yeah.
You don't want any exposed metal.
Alright, we got editing.
Then screwed the frame of it in. I stood on the other side on a ladder and just pushed it in with all my might, and Weston screwed it in from the inside, and yeah,
Yep.
it was in.
Yeah.
Then we put silicone around the outside, and we got a working window.
It made a huge difference in like temperature in Texas with having windows, because before it's like middle of August and we're like working at 100-degree heat
Yeah,
in a metal box with
no circulation.
no circulation. You have like a dinky fan and the sun's like roasting us inside the van.
So our next step was to make a frame for the window. And even though it's a round window, I was really racking my brain to figure out how we could make a round frame, but
No, we were not about to make a round frame.
if you know how to make a round frame, please drop a comment below. I would
Yeah.
love to know.
Tell me, babe, wanna leave this town? I'm saying, love her if you wanna go on down. Gonna leave me for bigger things. This place keeps
And then, oh boy, we spent so long cutting the shape of this. So we just put the frame up onto the wall, and then we traced the shape of it out, and then we just very carefully chipped away at the wall with the jigsaw.
Yeah, and then we went back with a chisel and like just made everything level.
Yeah.
We probably could have done it faster if we just measured better, but you know, we were just trying to improv things and have fun, and it worked out. Some of our like spray foam insulation was getting in the way of it, like,
Pushing all the way.
being flush against the wall.
So once we got it actually be able to be flush against the wall, we put liquid nails around the rim of it, and then we had to just put as much pressure as possible to get it tight with that frame, that wooden frame.
So we used a couple clamps and a board on the inside.
Clamped it to the outside. Brilliant idea by Weston.
Yeah, Niels was very impressed by that. He's like, wow, you're gonna be a clamp master by the end of this.
Tell me, babe, wanna leave this town? I'm saying, love her if you wanna go on down. 'Cause darling, we were made for bigger things. This place keeps killing our dreams.
Pretty cool. Yeah, that's the windows. But yeah, thanks for watching, y'all. Appreciate the support.
Next up, we will be cutting another hole in our van for the fan.
Yeah.
So look forward to seeing that.
Mm-hmm.
Thanks for stopping into Chrysalis Studios.
Yeah, thanks for watching.
Peace. Look at that.